Fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, we are welcome today. Today, this topic for today is lamentation. Lamentation. Today, I the one lament for which way our people they go through. I want to give you an update about our revolution. Today, no, I need to come for una like the Deputy Defense Chief. I come today for una like an activist. So today, I put down my cap for Deputy Defense Chief. And I come today for can talk una like an activist. Now give me a moment, ma see if I fit get the link. If everything be okay, ma double check. Okay, so it be okay. So as usual, as we start the show, I go play on some live video them for live video feed from Ground Zero for some while ago, so that make it remind una our people them why would they today for this struggle, why would they for the place would they, who's our struggle in the head. The dangers and what will face them as the challenges will face them, the solutions and way will now work them out, the roadmap way day before we today for Amazonia independent. As we know very well, the Catholic envoy from Rome, he done reach for instance Bamenda, Ego, how they call him, the La Republic du Cameroon, their minister, we know say na Iwe, he be at the top at the helm. So a lot of things that they happen where I don't come today for can give una update and for take una and forgive una through this my lamentation why the counter for una like Ambazonia Pikin, una own countryman, una own activist, civil liberty activist. So I need to come today like Deputy Defense Chief. I come today for can talk with una heart to heart like an Ambazonian activist. Una remember say today Dr. Cho Ayaba, the leader of our revolution, the president of the governing council, he will address the issue of the arrival of the Catholic envoy, the envoy of the Pope for inside Ground Zero. So make I bring una some song. So I'm not be song this time because today na lamentation. I do na lamentation today. So I will put una this video clip from Ground Zero a while ago. Make una see our people them. So that make una know place will come out and place where would they go. So welcome all man. I see Rock Ide, and also I want to salute all man for Ground Zero where they watch me for ACN, Ambazonian Communication Network. I salute una all. And I want to take una for remind una Ambazonia people them the gravity for which we will face them, the place we will did it, the cost we will did it, the things the way they happen. I want to remind una. As I talk to una for una house them for Ground Zero for all corner for Ambazonia. I talk also for people that did live for Facebook. So I salute Madam Immaculate, Woman of God. And I see Human Right, the German lady way support Amazonia strong today online for Facebook to watch me live. I see some Monday we named Andy somewhere also. When I come very well, today the topic for today is lamentation. Lamentation. Capo Daniel wept. Capo Daniel cry again for the future of Amazonia. So I don't come today for una like an activist. I see Gongtong Lazarus, he day online as well. To make all man una ready, make we go. Now video then this for our people them as they become out all across our territory from Atlantic zone to the Savannah State. Waka, go for the Alphonse Palace. Waka, go for the senators, the parliamentarians, the mayors. To make one request, una withdraw for Yaoundé. Una withdraw out of Yaoundé, come back for Ambazonia, for Southern Cameroon. The same way where Papa they become up for Enugu, come back for Buea. Go for Manfe, go Shidom. Decide the way forward. Our people in this 4 years ago. Now picking and that. They come out, they nobody hide their face. They stand blurry. Like that Ambazonian independence. We want independence. Now the time that so for 2018, where people then come out, they ask you and free British Cameroon. They use waterproof, they make our national flag from Bamenda, Tikumbu, Wum, Meme, Manfe, Ngokitunja, Momo, all across our territory, Ndian, for Tombe, for Miselele, Mutenge, Munya, Ekona, Kwakwa, Bafmen, Ndu, all man for our country, Southern Cameroon. Then wake up, then work and go for their phone palace. Then go put Ambazonian flag. Then work and pass gendarmerie station. Work and pass police station. Then the fear. Then carry flag even for inside Bamenda. Then march from Tarinkun. So and then come up for below Foncha. Then they march all man together. Ambazonia rising. As per for Ngala for the column. Ambazonia rising. Ambazonia rise to fall no more. Now they call me right now. Hello? Yeah, I'm busy right now. I'm live online. Give me 1 hour. I'll call you back. I'm very busy now. You give me 1 hour, please. Okay. 1 hour. I can't be available till an hour, please. Now, sorry for that interruption. So, our people, they don't rise up. They don't rise up. They don't make their voice clear. It be unambiguous, without fear. They don't sing the national anthem. They don't do everything. When people rise up, it will be left for the political leadership, for people amongst them, for rise up, for climb for that platform, for take the microphone, express where the collective people they want them. What people that rise up, leader the way they don't exist, activists the way they don't come out, they don't stand, they don't express and articulate them. Partasang they don't run come out for ground zero, go for Nigeria, for places the first stand talk freely. Tell the international community, write letter, write petition. Say the people of the British Southern Cameroons want separation and outright independence because La Republique have exploited us. We go through our history together. We articulate how they have spoiled all of our institutions, them how they done scatter our bank, chakara our airline, destroy our economy, come for our culture, they do assimilate we. Today, my fellow Ambazonians, the Pope it come for inside Ambazonia. Today the spirit of Ambazonia is not there the way we be there before. Pope here don't succeed for scatter this population one at the Siam. It don't bring confusion for inside the population one at the Siam. These people they don't be working for road now because a man fool them. These people they don't carry Ambazonian flag now because a man force them. Because a man tell them their history. Now because they know their history, they know where they come from, they know where they belong, they know exactly what they want. They don't go through Cardinal Tumi, he on where we don't craft question them. He remove the option set for independence. The people then take the extra step for write for paper. So we want the option of independence and nothing but independence. Today, the voices on these people, they heard them plenty. The voices for these people, they heard them plenty. A, they talk the one. B, they can't talk the one. A, they talk the one. B, they can't talk the one. People, they the one define who they win, who they win. Now who they succeed, now who they succeed, now which group they for up, now which group they for down. But the people of Ambazonia are not confused about one thing. What they want. Independence. Will they have that independence? Will they have what they want or not? It matters. They can lose this independence as well as they can attain this independence. Depending on these factors. What do I bring out today for now? For this my lamentation. And I get plenty to question them. As we struggle for fight, for achieve the independence what our people they want them. As the people they rise up, General Ivor, the one the way they didn't get sense before. Dr. Chua, by the way, they didn't spend their youthful age to fight the symptoms and when the people they face them. They didn't travel for abroad. They not be go rest. They not be going to enjoy good life. They be send petition after petition for the United States, United Nations. They did knock door to fight for independence. Before this thing one start, the way people they want rise. This same Ayabacho, Benedict Kwa, Sheikh Harvey, they go for ground zero. While all man be talk about what they go on, they bask inside the glory. Then go for ground zero inside the bushes. They recruit boys. Then buy arms. Then buy changshu. They train them for war. Because they know say war they come. They know say we need to prepare for war. They know say wait away what people they want them. We not go get them unless we get them through war. Those people then work hard. They recruit, they train soldiers when some of us could not even believe that you can buy AK-47. These people them are patriotic people, unrepentant nationalists. They don't work hard. Today our people they question themselves. They ask us what did it go on? Chris Anu they can't announce lockdown. Capo Daniel you can't talk say no lockdown. The people that rush you down for house. Now who don't win? Now Chris Anu don't win, now you don't lost. So me go follow na who? Me go follow na Chris Anu. The priest don't come for inside Bamenda. You dey talk say me go see Chris Anu, they talk say me run go for bush. Me go follow na who? Me go follow na who? My very good woman way there for day. My woman of God, immaculate. He don't call me, we don't get a conversation. If you tell me say we will give our weak point for La Republique, we will give our weak point, everything is out. It is not a lie. Because we can explain them. Say if they only call lockdown, now our weak point that any man if can call lockdown, the city go lock down. All man go shoot off a house. La Republique no. Cristiano no. Sako no. I know you know. Any man if you call lockdown, people go shoot off a house. So now a weak point that, like Immaculate talk, if a woman where you go through, you want go through divorce, you know say your master bad. You tell your master say, now this place it hurt me. Now when you do this thing, now it hurt me. That man he go continue for the do am so that you be hurt. You go punish you, so tell you say go feel of yankanda. La Republique no. Say what people they suffer. They pay the price for their freedom. Now a big burden upon them for close their shops every Monday. But they accept them willingly because they know say the end future it will be better. Things are going to change for the good. They will get the independence where they want them. How bad it will be, how waste of time it will be if that independence it no come. If that independence no come, Amazonia will be worse than the Rohingya Muslims where they live for inside Myanmar. Una no lie there. For this war, na cow, na lion eat cow. Lion eat cow. If you are a cow, you shall be eaten. It is either be eaten or be you eat somebody. Now say the war day, not you know that they are sorry. Pobia it don't move Sonera. It don't move the Sonera for out of our land. They need count money for Sonera for Amazonia. They don't move a long time. CDC inside this war, they don't move CDC go to for Yaoundé. GCE bought when we don't fight for the GCE bought. They don't move on for Amazonia go to for Yaoundé. Before they take people the way they don't go for small, when they get small thinking, actually the way they get small reasoning. Feeling young the way they get small reasoning. Put them for position them. Today, they take na Atangaji Paul. Person where you don't know boys and boyses. Now the one in that way they put them for in front. Njume Franklin. Shit no white last them. Picking the way they don't feel stand talk for public. But picking the way they know the logic of survival of the fittest, where they accept the logic of the enemy, say na kill or be killed. So the ones sell the country, they don't say, okay, una take the country, I'll save my life, save na selfishness. The logic, na the image is that, na the message that we pour here the gear for we. So we want me una be like this fool them, like a Tanganji Paul and Jume Franklin, for being selfish, because una not get the luxury for get sense. We want me una accept, say na for survive, una go live una life na for survival of the fittest. They una go live una life for fear, for accept, for be a subjugated people, otherwise we go kill na. Now the message that when I see the minister, now why don't they put a Tanganji for place where Ambazonian never ever be there? The message is clear. The message is clear. If we lost, we go be like the people of Rwandan, the Rohingya Muslim, for instance, Myanmar, where they no get country. They don't drive them from their country. They slaughter them every day. Nobody cares. The law of this war, now lion eat cow. If lion is sorry cow, that lion system will suffer hungry. Lion must eat the cow must die for lion for eat them. If Ambazonia remain cowards, we shall be eaten. The petrol of Boya will never touch our territory. Those way they for Bamenda, it go double. They go come move the small one for them up. They move the small one for them up, they go chop them. The stakes are high. When I get some person in the community, tell me say, Capo Daniel, now you and Chris Anu the fight. I go waste my time, leave my enjoyment, leave even the life I for the church. I for go sleep even with some I shower them. I for do whatever I want with my life. I make my money. I get my house, I get my picking them. I go leave and all for can't fight with people that go social media. Then I will be now the biggest fool. Because there is life out there. There's big life out there. Now images and this one it come from ground zero. I'm sure I'm going to understand which way to go on. Una never know what will happen for Ambazonia. Now for Ambazonia, for Menchum, Donga Mantung, and Boyo. Mbororo people there from Nigeria, they already send their cow them. Dawara he calls them. They already send their cow them. Me they come for day. I'm sure now what will happen. We will never know. Now video they say they come from ground zero. Where is that video? I don't put that video just now. When I give me a minute, I want me to know something Ambazonia. Wait till they play with them. The fire will play with them. Okay, now video this. You know the one up and I don't know why. When I see this video might get the messages. Me wanna know it really happen when I feel say one a joke would they never play. Would come here and can score point for can begin see how many people they like, how many people they follow. Now if we wanna feel in a popularity context. This video, this girl, the person where kid this way send the video. Now a Bible translator wait there for whom. He said this girl then killed the girl now yesterday so for Enfong village. A Simbi. Now for a Simbi that's so for border between Nigeria and Ambazonia for around Menchum Valley. Now Fulani them, they can't see this girl, they rape the girl. After they rape the girl finish, then kill her with knife. When I see the video, my tell now it go on. This one na number 18 case. Number 18. For this past 2 weeks, so they last slaughter them. Last time I can't tell you the one for inside boom. For my village center for Boboa. When Bororo people then come with La Republic, their military, they stop people the way they come up for market. So one boy one ask only question. How they told me how much should dump down? They shoot him by chest. A woman stand, one door stand and stand. Bororo man take knife, choke him for that woman in belly, that woman die. So other small village they call an ammo for corner action. Then kill 3 people them. where they go for farm. They don't shoot them for corner road, they leave over there, they bury them. All the places so they don't get internet. They don't get internet. Go for Menchum Valley Day. They slaughter families them every day. They replace our farmers with Mbororo people, their cow. Farm them, either bush them, heal the way farm people they go work cassava. They don't be access them again. When I watch the video first. Now get so they don't rape them. Mbororo get they don't cash. Normal use them. Fuck them with power. Finish kill them. Neither than a lifeless body that. When I feel a joke. When I feel a joke. Now a preacher send a video. They send them every day. See? See? Now count this. Now we that. So this is us. When I see the 4 beginning of the ranking, I'm going to play audio. The one the commander from do na Presbyterian pastor this. When I hear.
Hello, Deputy Chief of the Ambazania Defense Forces. Good morning.
You want na pastor for Presbyterian Church? The man he try his best. Not the man when he first be very educated. Not the man when first be very educated. When I hear.
Morning, sir. How are you? Fine. If you them again, I don't want to talk with you. But I don't hear that voice call. You don't talk. I want your delivery some message now. So wait, don't happen for do. Down Bororo people them. They don't key some three people them for Fondu. For this small village where they call them Odo. They call the village as Odo. I may say they can't key some boy for day, and then the mommy will mommy for that boy with the bar for the boy. The one run come say na wait, they shoot them all. Missing a terrible for them for either one family where they don't kill them. So the thing happened after yesterday. That today were the year.
So reports after reports they come daily. I don't even get time for even put a system I put up my podcast. The Agbobalas, the Kawalas, the people who could speak for these innocent people they cannot speak for them. They don't want to speak for them. The journalists, they don't want to report. They don't want to report. Somebody called me yesterday, my very good old friend, coach. He tell me, say, Capo, you see, shop them close to Bamenda. That means, say, Sako, then still get some influence for Ground Zero, no? They still get some influence. When I need to accept now, say this, so these people they still get some influence. When I feel, when I need now for unite. Now say they call me the talk because some people them believe for their heart. Say when I they go out there and they talk say no, me all man no lockdown. Now because of one challenge Sako, some people them believe so. Some people them believe say ADF now about for take power na power monger. Would the fight for get power? Who don't hate Sako them. Like how will be hate Seko according to some of people them. They really believe them for their heart. They really believe them for their heart. Now the lamentation, this one they can't lament for una. My country people, if I come for here because I hate Sako, because I hate Eric Tato, because the one can coach me, so I can't coach them back. I can't challenge them back. I can't score a point, but can't win them. That means I've been a devil. That means I've been a wicked man. But can't do this type of things for these petty egoistic reasons. For these petty egoistic reasons. Make una know one thing. Our people they not shut down for house because Sako talks to me they shut down for house because they listen for Chris Anu. No, they did not. Our people did not want to go out because they listen for Capo Daniel, because they listen for Ayabacho. They are better than that. They know the truth. They just don't know how to react. They don't know. They just wish there was somebody who could express what they want and how they could do it so that they could do it right. They are just caught in a bubble and they don't know their way. They are truly confused. They are truly confused. I've come today to lament to you people, for you to see the light, for you to see the truth, not because of me, not because I'm right or wrong, not because the ADF is good or bad, not because Sako is good or bad or Cristiano is good or bad, but to light the light in your heart. The Bible says the Lamb of man is the Spirit of God that is in their heart. When man they lie, you didn't know, because the Spirit of God is in your heart. They can tell you if A is lying, if B is lying. You can know the truth. You can know right from wrong. You can know right from wrong. Our people, they stay for house because they fear. They are afraid. And that is the objective of the enemy. They fear in their heart. That is what Paul Biya wants. That is what the bishop is coming to see. When I feel say people that they fear, we don't work with people that were ground zero for long. I don't post one letter from a priest. The priest is not afraid. I don't tell you how to talk. That is a priest. He's an active priest in Bengui. A Catholic priest. This is a Catholic priest. This is the letter this priest don't write them. For go giam for this bishop. This envoy from Catholic Church. For tell the envoy. Say the people that way Cameroon military kill them. Now people that way they give them communion for church. These are not terrorists. Paul Biya they kill our people for instill fear in their hearts. Yes, the Catholic Church they conspire to keep La Republique control over Ambazonia for whatever interest they have. That is true. Make no mistake. This is not the last visit. There's no silver bullet for Biya to win Ambazonia. But this is very important. They come for contest because they see the cloud they gather. Joe Biden then come with new energy where he go eventually push the war for face the truth about Ambazonia war. The people that way they support Cameroon, they don't connive. They don't send the priest, me come, for can see for himself. Inside the occultism, them inside all the can come back house away, Ngumba house away, they go cook their pot day. So that they will decide what if we do, what if we back them. As America they prefer. Before America the one gather themselves. Me they offer now according to the way they talk, they offer reconciliation between Ambazonia and La Republique so that they will attain peace between the two people. So that we will live together without attaining our independence. But we know very well, say this peace, it no go ever come. We no go ever reconcile because there will be no justice. There can never be peace without justice. There must be justice. And there can never be justice without independence for Ambazonia. Because that is what we deserve before the plebiscite, and that is what we deserve right now. The logic where they want put Ambazonia for day. If you and your woman get problem, if you and your woman get problem, you dey beat that woman for house, you dey make another woman the suffer way, na only suffer way na zinc the cover am for house. No man no fit know for outside. Wait till that woman the suffer. You dey punch am, you dey rape am, you dey send am go cook chop. We no give money. That woman go fight. It become your slave. No man no know for outside. Your neighbor the way they dey for quarter, they know. They see am, but they never see am how you kill that woman because they no fit see am. But all man knows that woman is suffer. That way they don't come way quarter dan gather, chief dan gather. The one call that woman, me that woman can't stand for public for talk. Now for that woman fit get freedom. Because if that woman can't stand talk for people say, now the thing this why they suffer. Chief, una listen my case. The man they kill me so. If I would let me, I go back for that man he has today. That man go finish me and die. That woman look chiefy face. Even if that man be been a Ngumba member, even that man, if he been a wicked man, if that woman stand for that public for front chief, he cries say, chief papa, now you be papa for village. Help me, save me from this man, because as I open my belly talk today, so I go back for her, this man will go finish me. Even if that chief wicked na how, that chief must do something. Because if tomorrow you go die, that chief go get blame for the member the way they should done for around it. So even if the Catholic Church want and say me Pobia continue for rape Ambazonia, it be very important make Ambazonia communicate to the Catholic Church wait to one time and wait to suffer. They wait only way that husband will continue for take back that woman, go out and back, go begin punish him, they rape him every day. Now only if he don't put enough fear for that woman he had, so that mean that woman fear, so that the day when that woman go stand for public, they go talk say talk. The woman go turn look the man in eye, the man go talk, look and say yes, now my eye this. Open your mouth for the talk, you see what I'll do one for you. Then mean that woman fear. If she don't talk, say, well, not in no day, not in no day. It doesn't matter the truth. So long as that woman don't say not in no day, it doesn't matter the truth. Ambazonia, it doesn't matter how many people Pobia have killed. The blood of Mami Appiah will not matter. The blood of Samsoya will not matter. All of you in the diaspora will remain in the diaspora. The refugees in Nigeria, they will remain there. The few people in Zian and the dirty few backward people that have been corrupted, they will be driven out of that land like the Rohingya Muslims in Myanmar. This war, there is no sorry. Now lion eat cow. Cow do not eat lion. Cow do not have the right to eat meat. If we don't express ourselves in front of that Catholic Church, which is just the one we see before, if we don't have a leader that will go to the international community, the proper place, and articulate our case properly, then no matter what Pobia do to us, he will continue to do it even more, and nothing will happen. Then we are getting into an era where the only Ambazonians that will see light will be Atanga Njipo and Jume Franklin, and the Success Nkongo and the General Nambere. Those are the people that will be living fat for the rest of our life. People are asking me, why do I support Ayabacho? There is no other person who can articulate our case boldly like Ayabacho, who is not afraid of to die. Some people that ask me, Kapo Daniel, you there for Hong Kong, you know the fear? Of course! The Cameroon government, they try to catch me for here for Hong Kong. They don't launch case for the Hong Kong police about me. They don't send me messages and will tell me from their embassy to the Prime Minister office to my WhatsApp to my messenger. They don't talk for me so they feel say I need the year, say I know the fear. They don't start talk the other day they contact na embassy for America, contact na Raymond. Raymond, the spokesperson, they tell Raymond say that one can cash Kapo Daniel for Hong Kong. I nobody ever talk about now. I say they publish about newspaper. When I feel say I need the fear, when I feel say I don't know say the fee can catch me for here for Hong Kong. When I feel say I don't know say Pobia fee kill me for here. When I feel say my life not be important. Of course, my life be important. Of course, I the fear. But do you know why they take their time for make me man know? See what they do Do you think do you know why they want me to know what they want to do? They want me to know so that I will be afraid. They want me to know so that when I'm afraid, I will stop doing what I'm doing. I will demonstrate some weaknesses and I will surrender. And even when I do that, they will not stop what they are doing. They are going to catch me. They are going to kill me. Because what they want is that I should surrender my will. I should surrender my conviction for Ambazonia and think about my own personal life before they get me. Then Ambazonia is going to look at this case and say, "Una look up, when I be first time for they be bold. Today I start surrender. I will start change my talk. And the small bribe the one get for me, I will go take them. Begin live now like success in Congo. Begin convince fighter the media come over bush. That is what they want. But my conviction is strong. I have made up my mind. Because when I see the 4 boys that was killed in Metakwata, I see myself. I see myself in them. From Julius, I see myself in them. No matter what success I have, it is meaningless to me if the collective is poor, if the collective is captive. I'm not driven by personal grievances. I'm not driven by scoring points. I'm not driven by proving that I know. I'm not. I believe we have to get our people out of hell. They are living in hell. In a country where the military can get into your house and rape your children. In a country where they are slaughtering our people every day, left and right, like animals. We have to save them. Even if it means that I lost my life in the cause. Even if it means that they catch me here in Hong Kong. I will not turn down, I will not accept to change my mouth, to change my language because of the fear. Even if I go down, I will go down with my head high, knowing that I'm doing the right thing, I'm fighting for the right cause, for the right motivation. I did not come here to make money, I did not come here to make name, I did not come here to look for position. I do not desire any of those. I truly do not desire any of those. To our people who are confused, who are asking me, why don't I facilitate reconciliation between Sako, Chris Anu, and Ayabacho and Seseko? Do you believe in your heart that when Sako asks us to lock down Bamenda, Sako is doing so because of the priests? Is that what you really believe truly in your heart? Let's be honest. We cannot be killing somebody for nothing. We cannot be criticizing Sako for nothing. I don't believe so. When Chris Anu came out and said, let them lock Bamenda, I don't believe he's doing that because he wants to help to unseal the shops. I don't believe it. That shop, they didn't be closed for a long time. That shop, they didn't be closed for a long time. Now, after they don't lock them, then they begin look reason them, the gam. Say, now because of the shop, now because of the priest. The real reason why they did lock Bamenda, now for demonstrate, say, for make sure, say, when that priest come, make no man know there for talk. For make sure, say, when the rank up can test the pulse of where Pobia is success the ran be, may the result be a pass one for Pobia. Now, why are the one who behave like fools for run into the bushes instead of coming there and talking to the priest? Some people they refuse say, well, Kapo, you know, say how road dry when that man they come fine. That priest not come now for glory, he not come now for rally. It does not matter whether the road is full or not full. He's coming there to meet the people. The people he's going to meet is going to be selected by Pobia. There are priests who want to talk. I've walked my ass in Bamenda from neighborhood to neighborhood, from quarter head to quarter head, from farm to farm, from buyer and seller, from jama woman them, from tomato women them, from truck pusher them, speaking to them and encouraging them to go out there and speak. We engineered the women who went up to the upstation to protest. We engineered them. We walk with them. We talk with them. We feel their pain. When they were attacked, the woman that went up to the upstation, she was attacked. This is her picture. We have not put in social media. I don't even need to show these pictures out there. I think I can look for a way I can cover a picture. I'm going to release part of the picture. They are beating up that woman. The woman, the way they talk for instance park from Bamenda for Commission Avenue. Now we tell the same woman talk. Because if they don't talk, we are losing. We will lose. If we cannot break the fear, we will lose. Chris Anu wants us to reflect exactly what Paul Biya wants us to reflect so that we will lose. That is what they want. When they called the lockdown for Issa Fako, our troops were in Tiko. Forces have gathered in Tiko. La République used advantage and launched Calais in Tiko and prevented forces from moving from Tiko into Victoria. Troops have gathered there. When they go ask the guy from Mountain Lion, me send audio for Kosh Kapo Daniel. When I feel say the talk na true, and I ever life owner, the information from Mountain Lion is coming from his own commanders. Now they call me day after day. I have no benefit to lie about a soldier on the ground. I choose not be, I choose say I not go even listen for that audio them. Because it go make me man talk something where place where you stand for this so shit go come off a last. Because it no be stand me. If I make up my mind for bringing heat, it no be stand the heat for inside the place where they for Issa Fako. Because the people there they talk for me for Issa Fako pass ye way be the general. Even inside a force. But that is not my interest. What benefit would I have? What benefit would I have? What benefit would I have? You have to believe. I guess some people they talk say, Sako, you know my trip to Boya, maybe Sako be take that money if one because America they fit catch man where it is supply weapon for war. They be use now code for do this one. How do you believe that Sako there is receipt? He went to the restaurant with donation. Somebody who could not offer buy himself lunch. Spend $3,000 to buy crap. The receipt is there. People saw them on the restaurant. You want to believe that is a code message? Somebody who went to hotel with Aringwa, 5-star hotel and paid the receipt. They went and sleep there. You think that is coded message to buy weapon? Call me one general for ground zero where Sakura buy gun. Say me go find La Republic. And I will forever remain silent. Ask one general for ground zero, me stand take gun. Prove say na Sako buy am for ye. And I will remain silent. When I want for belief, say Chris Anu, the same person where he interview General Agaba during the incident where they shoot plane for Issa Bafut Airport. They call and say na the general this na the control Bamenda. The same Chris Anu where he talks say me then kill them for Issa Bui, then bury them alive. Ask them me then dig their own grave. You believe say that Chris Anu they talk the truth of his motivation. Now when he be interview General Agaba or now when he be talking me then kill them. Or now when they become together with the guy that for Amazonia calling for can't tell una say the ADF na La Republic them. Una go be confused about these people. Una go be confused about their relationship with La Republic. When I have information, say Chris Anu they don't get understanding with the Switzerland. At that time, una be talking say la it be impossible. No one need to talk with Switzerland. I be telling I say there are talks going on in Switzerland. Minister Ngongo, or how they call it that they are stupid names them. He don't get video call with Chris Anu. Someone go believe say the money where Cameroon government they give for the bilingualism committee. Na say me then go begin teach Ambazonia and them how to do bilingualism. Some of una go believe that. Una feel say that money they go na for outside. Una feel say na outside how they call it, minister we die, this parliamentarian we die. Banda me get millions of give saku them. When I fix na outside get them those millions them. When I fix na outside get them. Who said those money they be come out? If when I feel say the Switzerland, they did for mediation about Amazonian independence. That means say we no get hope. If you guys believe that, that means we don't have hope. Chris Ano have a meeting with the person who gave him money in how they call that colonel of La Republic in America. He went to England. We have proofs. I mean, we have physical proof. The Cameroon minister, they were hiding it even from the governor, from the prime minister. He went to France. Then he's going to the hospital. Left France, took train, went to England and met Chris Ano in England. Eko, who went and met Seseko in prison. He met them in England. Whatever they do there, we have proof that they met in England. And you want to believe this man? You want to believe his motivation is not there to sabotage what we are doing, to keep us where we are. I remember when they arrest Seseko. I was a bishop then, working with Mark Barata, John Igewan, Tiger One, with the Tigers of Manu. I was there. At that time, the news no be go out. The news no be go out say the Ranka Seseko. We call meeting, emergency meeting for all man for defense, keeping Ayabacho and the rest outside because we did not want to see them. We call a meeting. Me against everybody. I beg Mark Barata. I beg Tiger One. I beg everybody. I say, how can they arrest Seseko? Seseko, a leader of a nation, a leader of a people. And you people are quiet. Seseko was there giving food to the refugees. Bringing refugees in his own house. Spending his own money. With all the professors. They have arrested them. You have to tell the refugees to go out there and protest on the street of Abuja. They have to protest in Lagos. Southern Cameroon have to rise up. Even in Bamenda, tell the people to rise up. Let them speak out. They say, Capo Daniel, you are too emotional. Just stay quiet. They will release them. Just stay quiet. I say, are you people out of your mind? That is when I cried. The video that video have been watched more than 3 million times. 3 million times. That's when I cried. I said, oh, we are done. We are done. And I told them, Buhari cannot arrest Seseko and send Seseko to Cameroon. He will be afraid. He wants to see our reaction. If we sit down like Mumu, they will kill that man. I cry for Seseko. I cry for Seseko. We had differences, but I cry for him. He's a leader. He have heart for the people. We let him down because we listen to people. We listen to people who are more concerned about image, who are more concerned about popularity, who are more concerned in being control, in being on top of things. These people do not care about the people as much as they care about themselves. To liberate the people, it takes people who are selfless, who are ready to put their own life on the line, who are ready to take a bullet for the people. It takes the General Ivor. It takes those people to liberate our homeland. It takes the General Big Number who have received bullets, who have received millions in his hand, 50 million, and take it to go and buy bullets. It takes the General Cobra who have received millions and they did not run. It takes people like that to free a nation. It does not take people who are willing to say that they are going to raise their hands in their head and go and surrender to Mr. Paul Biya and apologize. It does not take people who could not in their own private life work to make money How many people have you seen in the AGOFC or in the area who don't have jobs? How many? How many? Monkey no fi born dog. Dog no fi born pussy. Amazonia, stop this stupidity. Stop this stupidity. Stop this confusion. Stop being confused. Chris Anu is working for his benefit. Sako have received money from La Republique. You saw the indictment. Look what you have done to Harmony Bokpa. He came and saw the evidence and they indicted Sako. They said, this man have received money. He has compromised. Yet you think that we will go and join with him just because he has some influence? All the soldiers in Bamenda have come together and say, yes, Capo Daniel, we put them down and say, if Sako doesn't send una money, muna buy gun, muna talk and we leave una. Go and ask even the soldiers in Manfe, when Sako sent picture to say he thanked them. I asked them, all of them, the mountain lions and the one where we make that order to cost me. I said, una can't talk. If Tutu says Sako, the IG they give una money, make una buy weapons them, then would they fear the cost them for nothing. Now una be the soldier them, now una know the truth. Una tell me and we will forever be silenced. We will forever be silenced. We will go and unite with them. We will go and unite with them. You want to believe that somebody who will tell them to kill 29 people in Bui will give you freedom? You want to believe somebody who will commit the act of treason to lie that the area is working for La Republique will give you freedom, is capable of giving you freedom? If you can believe that, then we did not need to protest against Mr. Pobia. We did not need to do that. If you can believe that, then we did not need to protest against Mr. Pobia. Our people are being slaughtered day and night. The future of our nation is not only in the balance. Pobia have defeated us already before we are here. The French coalition, they have taken away the independence that they're supposed to give to Foncha. We are not fighting like people who have anything. We don't have anything. They had defeated us long ago. For us to fight, we must go the extra mile. Our people in Ground Zero, I have told them, you must strike, you must protest on the street. Because if we allow this struggle to the people like the Mark Paratas, our people would have never risen up. The people in the market would have never risen up. They are patriot. I'm not saying that Mark Barata is not a patriot. Yes, he has been lobbied by Agobala, I know. Even Eugene Ufoka have been lobbied. So I'm not here to condemn them. I'm here to lament. I'm crying to you, not as a deputy defense chief, but as an Amazonian, as an activist. Like a boy, I'm crying to you like a small boy who grew up in Bamenda. And I'm seeing my own people being slaughtered. My streets, my village is being razed down. And I cannot sit quiet. I'm seeing the doomsday. Patricia Scotland came out. We could not talk to her. They make us look like fools. Those who are at the helms, they make us look like fools. When Ayabacho went and launched the self-defense, they apologized. Anybody who cannot change will keep us down. I used to be the most... should I even take the picture of Siseko? I have the picture of Siseko in my house here. When this struggle just started, and you have people like Sheikh Harvey, they came and they were insisting, no, the constitution of the governing council says that Siseko must ask permission from the leadership council before this one is... I said, fuck that! What is wrong with you? I insulted Ayabacho. I used to hate Ayabacho. I mean, I used to hate this man. I look at this Ayabacho. I even came, I make videos that I see running. They still play that video today. And I said, but what is it? We know what you are saying. We know what you are saying is right. I said that. I said, we know that Ayabacho is right. We know that Sheikh Kabi is right. But we just want to follow Siseko. Because in my mind at that time, I think that if something popular the way we did, you just go along, we will succeed. Until along the way, plenty things in there where I don't want to talk. But for the sake of Ambazonia, I will say things. I will say things. The day Seseko Ayabacho, they released the video of Ayabacho in Daddy, and I saw that video. I went out. I tell Ambazonia, wow, this is it. From that day, my friends that we work together in the IG, I will not call names because it's not about IG. It's not about IG. It's not about anybody. I'm just lamenting. They call me and say, Capo Daniel, I am disappointed in you. I am disappointed in you. You have betrayed us. I said, what? Was this about our group? Or it was about something that can inspire the youth? Because we were struggling to stop the schools at that time. We were so frustrated. We didn't know what to do. We were encouraging students and doing things to stop the schools so that they can listen to our problems. I said, what? It's about our group now. I remember the time we invited Ayabacho. Because we invited Seseko, he could not come to China. We invited Ayabacho. Ayabacho could not come. He said, let us send the invitation to Ebenezer Akwanga. Ebenezer Akwanga came here. We have a conference. It was very wonderful. We raised money. Huge money. And I received a call. This time I'll just call the name. It's not that I have problem. Naloba. I respect Naloba a lot because she has worked for our country. She's not a traitor. So let nobody mistake my word because I know Ambazonians. Your own, I say when you criticize person, you miss that man a black leg. No. Naloba is a patriot. But Naloba, they call us. The people from South Africa, they call us. I say, Capo, they don't give that money for that boy. They lie when I said they'll go buy AK-47. That people, they didn't come here from South Africa. They can collect 40,000 for here. So they even call people to come and testify to me. And as the activist, the main voice in China, I call all my people. I tell them, so I know something. Make we not give the money for the man. Make we not give the money for the man. The man a scammer. Akwanga a scammer. Yeah, I have show them. I tell kick any man for our group, you know they follow Ayabacho, kick them out. Until at the end of the day, I start to realize that these people were not fighting because of their group. It wasn't because of their group. It wasn't because of their group. They just wanted the country to be free. Our people had been convinced at one point that Ayabacho going to London to go and look for sell petrol to get money, it was a wrong thing. If our mindset is like that, that means that Pobia have won us. We have been defeated. But I believe there is a possibility of us changing that mindset from stupidity to victors. For us to be able to look at that deal in London and say that, bravo, bravo. If this man could have had that money, Ambazonia could be free today. Because that is what it will take us to be free. That is what it will take us to be free. We need to rise up. We need to encourage our people to rise up. We need to encourage them. People who are not ready to sacrifice their life cannot save us. Because in anything they do, you will see the Connie. That is why Seseko is in prison today. It's not because he did not like Ambazonia or he don't want freedom. No. It's just because inside him, he's a leader. He's a patriot. But there are certain things, ego in him, that keeps him, hold him down. Even Ebine have said it. Seseko Ebine have spoke out. Gabila have spoken out. Look at the type of people that are surrounding him today. They are all patriot. Means Ntaka is patriot. But you know that there are something that when you don't have it, you don't have it. There are something that when you have it, you have it. Why would I not support Ayabacho? He is the only person who can articulate the things the right way. He can hit the hammer on the nail in the right angle. Why will I remove it? If you remove the player that is a striker in your team, you will lose. If you put a player in a goalkeeper that is a person, you will lose. You will lose. We cannot compromise We cannot compromise with Sako. We cannot. If we compromise Sako, we are done. We will be playing into the hands of the enemy. We will ask our people like foolish bush people to run away from a person they are supposed to go and talk with. We will desert the village, the city now go she don't let food them. You come to town. Where are the people for me to talk to? You need to talk for manner because that man will help you. We will not say the Catholic Church you work with Pobia. We will not say that they help for recruit boy. When I hear testimony for Cardinal Tumi, how they talk how Prime Minister buy blanket them, mattress them. For boy the way they don't move them for bush from Douala, like Republic they can't kill those boys them. So even if these people could make a deal, if they don't feel respect the deal with Prime Minister Diango to the maker, when I feel that why they can't make our Sako, when I feel that one they can't give you the special status, when I feel that they can't give you the decentralization, they can't give you the House of Chiefs. For who say, Nyampuka people they like we, Anglo fool them like we are Anglo fools. We are a captured people. We are people that have been defeated and put into a union that we are not supposed to be against our will. We are that woman who is being tortured by the husband that needs a divorce. We must be bold to speak out when we have to speak out, even when we know that everybody does not support us. But what is power? What is power? The Bible says, my people die because of lack of knowledge. When you don't listen to people who have knowledge, you will suffer. How do you know activists who have knowledge? How many times me and Lucas Asu and Bella Franklin have warned you people about something that will happen? You realize 1 year, 2 years down the line. Because your mouth is clouded every time we come and talk. For some man I say, Kapo Daniel define na eritato. Kapo Daniel define na Sako. I can embrace Eritato. I can make him number one if he wants to, if it is going to give us freedom. I can accept Sako as the head of state. Like my pastor, I can go there and take communion. Like Calipo, they take communion. If it is going to give us freedom. But I will not even say hello to Ayabacho if he is going to compromise. For selfish reason. For fear. I can fight Che Kavi. I can fight Lucas Asu. I can fight General Big Number. I can fight anybody who, after seeing the blood being spilled on our territory, take his own fear, take his own lack of knowledge, and say that we should ignore all those blood and go and reconcile with La Republic without seeking for justice. Because we will go back to the same place, we will suffer the same thing. If our people did not reject unity in the Boya conference that created the SCNC, Mukete could have not have the opportunity to go and sell Ambazonia and have his position in the Fekafu. Plenty people that don't see uprising as a means for penetrate the political class. Now why don't we see Agbobala quickly come hijack the Anglophone movement? A movement where it been an obstacle. This struggle start now with a case for Supreme Court with Harmony Bokba. I traveled to Ground Zero 2016 to meet the lawyers. I met him upstation in the court and I tried to give my offer like a small boy because I was already helping Patrick Newman. I think when I know Patrick Newman, I was the first person to join that platform. I was already working with Patrick Newman trying to bring down the regime because I believe that the people needed freedom. Caroline, the guy, the doctor in France, the Francophones there, I was working with them. Kawala, I was already working with Kawala, working with Fundi on how to bring change for free. Even when Paul Biya came here, we met them, we were bringing proposal. I was the one behind the fundraiser to help the troops who were fighting against Boko Haram. That fundraiser, I was the one behind that initiative. That raised over 90 million, or how much did they take that money and go and eat it? when the Iseka incident happened, we were the first one to start to tell our diaspora we need to start donating money for charity back home. My first job, I finished my first bonus in my work. I take it and go to Batibo, to a charity I met online, and go and spend 9 days with the orphans there to help them. Not for popularity. I never even published those pictures. I just published them because sometimes you need to tell a story. We need to understand so we can free ourselves. The freedom will come if we can overcome our fear. The fear where Atanga Paul, here and Jume Franklin, they don't accept them. We particularly they don't accept them. The fear of phobia, the fear of death, and acceptance to live like that, and better save the devil. Now that fear we need to overcome them. Yes, I have a job that talk am. Say 99% of people that want independence. But now how many of them be courageous enough to believe in our own ability to fight against La Republic? The people that don't fight against all odds. In independent struggle, you always fight against the odds. You are always the people fighting for freedom are always the weaker ones. So we are weak compared to La Republic. But we can win if we are resilient. If we are determined. Obama says that for a public to win, the masses need to demonstrate and make it impossible for the political class to make concession. Then we can win. Then we can win. People do not lack courage. When you look at the video of our people marching, they do not lack courage. What have failed them is that they lack the people. Who can lead them. They have always lacked the people who can lead them. That is what is the problem. When you see our people coming out, these people have been failed because the people where they don't champion their cause were not courageous enough. They were allowing those who want to position themselves to speak on their behalf to go ahead. They have been let down by those who have become the popularist activists. Instead to empower them and encourage them to stand up, they tell them, una the fear. They will kill una. Me una not show una face. Me man no go talk. Me man no go take picture. We don't come up with a time when people they will stand boldly all across our territory. It will be impossible for La Republic to kill them. For come to a time where we tell our people that they run the hide. Me they run hide for inside bush. We don't fail our people them by supporting and standing and entertaining people who don't have the quality, or they are not worth the leadership to lead these people. We have gone back to receive people, and people like Nam Angels calling us to go and stand together with people who are the same like the people who are put us under this mess. If you, Nam Angel, you believe that we can go and allow somebody who have the same quality like Pobia to lead us, then why don't us go back to La Republic? After all, independence is a superficial concept. It boils down to freedom from what? Freedom from exploitation. Freedom from being corrupted without any consequences. Freedom from the killing of our people. If we can forgive Sako for asking 29 soldiers to be buried alive, why can we not forgive Pobia for killing Julius Akum? Why? If we can tolerate corruption, misappropriation, people who come and create committee, create all big names just to take people's money and eat, then why can we not also do the same thing with Pobia? If we cannot accept Pobia, we cannot accept Ambazonian Pobia. If we think we can accept Ambazonian Pobia while we are rejecting La Republic Pobia, then the international community, who is a third party, can clearly see our hypocrisy. And nobody will have incentive to go the extra mile to help us. Because wait what the ASCAM will not even deserve them. A people where they want freedom, Now selfless people where they go ahead for sacrifice themselves for their freedom. When I look Biafra people, my friend from Ivory Coast, everybody in Ivory Coast who is from Biafra, every man by law with their free will must contribute 14,000 francs to the Biafra freedom, to the Eastern Network. Everybody. But in Ambazonia today, we cannot do that. Why? Because when Sheikh Harvey and Benedict Kwa then go for ground zero, for go build an army, instead for Seseko for look up, admire them, and embrace them, instead for Sarko for look up, admire them, and support them, instead for the Mark Baratas to look up, admire them, and support them, but then one that's on two way that they must be at the top. So they'll find money for go build their own, or for go bribe the thing where they want them. You see your brother it's in fine, you no go support them, you want take them for yourself. Imagine what if happen for the Biafra people. When I feel that for the contribute money they that one without argument, if all man will support one idea, when I feel say Nnamdi Kanu forget ability for call for ceasefire without the unity of the Biafra people. And why are the Biafra people united and Ambazonians are divided? Because the Biafra people are more practical. They are following common sense. Ambazonia needs to do the same. Ambazonians needs to do the same. We have made a mistake. We have made a lot of mistakes. From the time of Seseko till today. Seseko was just a victim. Pushed in that position by South African SDF politicians. Sarko, they have brought Sarko the same way. And the worst thing is that Sarko is a criminal. So he just jumped inside with full force. Seseko be do him reluctantly. When I see he do everything say he want bring Ayabacho in the ways of the politicians. It could not work because Ayabacho is a clean man. But Sarko, the one come na Bari Kobedina receive him awu. Eko awu. Colonel Bankoy awu. Ngongo awu. Anything chop him. Chop. Like pig. Like pig. Man wey no before even get courage to go attend protests. Una want me go lead protests. Me go lead war for free una. And some of una the really can't talk am. Una head decrease. Say mu go unite with them. Una head decrease. Why una no talk say mu go surrender? Because it go be better. It go be better. It go be better for we. The only reason I did for this struggle as an activist, that because the blood don't flow. Because when you look at the demonstration of our collective mindset, how a lot of stupid people are there who are willing to push us to the doom and make us look stupid. It is not worth it. I don't need money. I will not go and take bribe, of course. I can never go back to say I want to go back to the Republic. I can never do that. But I could have just simply say I stay at my home. I close all these channels. I focus on my life here in Hong Kong. The only thing I cannot do that is because blood have flowed. Blood have flowed on the ground. When I look about Akum Julius, I look all these people who have died. I look General Ivor, the people I talk to every day. Look at this guy that was killed in Bamenda. Let me show you guys this video. This guy, he's a soldier. He's called Scorpio. Now it is. I don't know this guy. Now Banso boy. Now Isobu relative. He don't come for Bamenda for can't fight. He find my number, call me. He walk here and bullet. He call me for give me inside. He be so passionate. He talk how they want go. I say then kill away they want move their cam or something like that. Very passionate. then go kill it. How can I leave somebody like this? He has lived all his life from Banso. He came to fight in Bamenda. How can I sit back and then I don't continue? Look at our Boss Daf, where they be ambushing Kili. Boss Daf before if they not get enough weapons them, if you not get enough weapons them. But the priority for our roadmap, if you show say it get for wait longer before they get them the weapon the way we need them, before they could be active the way they want them. But before that day one reach, Boss Daf be that already die. Boss Daf be the if get na ambazuna de fait blood. It is a capo danye if it take even a when they kill what people they so if it take even a knife go fight. He don't care if they kill it. Those boys on the same way they fight. They are not motivated by some abstract idea of independence. Now the people the way they don't die where they say Allah Republic they kill them. They don't talk say no, we cannot live with these people again. The damage is irreparable. That is why they are fighting. You look at our people then, for instance, for Bambili, might even put some of those videos here for Bambui. This is the people. This is the spirit that is pushing us to fight.
When I see bullets, now you look up and I'm gonna die. What the fuck in the name of Jesus don't die? I swear my happiness. Don't think I am not sure. Don't die. I don't know. But I'm a me for something. You want to
No, do not leave. You treat Senegal.
We there for our country peacefully. We be now come over the country from Nigeria. We come also want come up free. British people then never give you independence. We can't join La Republic peacefully. Now because we want come out, they kill we say we will not learn even our history. Innocent people. Now our right now our flag. They can't kill we. They on a fee will accept them for being in this state. Now why don't we fight? We'll not be crazy, we'll not be radicals. We'll be rational.
3 days over plenty. 3 days plenty.
Now the pain and this is what people they go through.
They shall not live.
Imagine the women the way they don't kill them. These 18 women the way they don't kill them. These 18 women them. Chook woman with knife, rape girl. Rape after kill her with knife. Cut off her head.
You can see we are crying.
And why now we fight?
This is a blood.
And why now we must fight?
Our brother, our mother. This is a blood here. You can see the blood is thick. The blood is here. This is a blood. That is a blood. My mama is trying to sweep.
They can't keep Big Mami for inside Bambui, where they say go clean. And that army they become the way now they fund for now I think a Bambili or a Bambui man no mistake called the wrong place. I think a Bambili the one way they work here and a Betty. Now if you go call military people them, because if they stay for Yaoundé, it won't come out for their village. Say me them go key Ipo. Now that fund is itself. Now their own cancer village people they tell me they be for that meeting. He can call people they mean the right name they will put it they support Amber. Talk me military go kill them. They go kill my Big Mami where they sweep na sweep. Military enter for inside baby matter the house. Pikin the sleep for bed. Then put gun 4 bullets for his head. For Bamenda day, use them when they run go hide now for hide for where gunshot they can't catch them but they shoot them. Pikin the begs are beg when I better shoot me now for food. They shoot them for all the food way bleeding go bleed today go die. When I know what it there for that army the hard way they do am. Now hatred. They hate us for who we are. For being people of that land. When I know what it happened for Myanmar, now say the Myanmar people then they hate these Rianji Muslim people. And because they never fight for their freedom, they don't drive them away from their land. After this war, if we now begin follow people the way they no fit help we move win. If we now begin entertain people the way they the same with our republic, we will lose and we will become the same like the Muslim people for Myanmar. All we now for abroad. Some of ourselves, and those for we 90% they know they fine. Now they 5% and they. How many of we get house outside? I get my house. How many of you get family for us? I get my picking every year. I feel continue my life here. But all man over abroad, when I no ever go for ground zero. When I say that I'm trouble with their passport of the Republic, no, they will talk say, when I never see wickedness, when I never see bad. Me who lost the war, when I will see bad. Nobody they move GC in and now so. Nobody before the crisis and nobody before the crisis. Now inside the crisis they remove GC bought. When I will see bad. Probably I will show now na me. Where does it me? Probably I will show now something. Me when I begin entertain. When I begin entertain Sako and Chris Anu. I call Oma for Bamenda. Me gonna go for that place, go talk for that priest, wait till it happen. We don't talk for people, them we don't advise them, we don't talk for quarter head, we don't talk for buy and seller, we don't talk for taxi driver, we don't talk for priest, we don't do our best. We don't do our job. Some people they talk say, hey, Capo Daniel, we don't talk people they don't go for lockdown, they don't shit on for us because Cristiano they don't win una. What a pity. What a pity for that mindset. When I see that mindset, what a pity. What a pity. What a pity. When I don't just read we wrongly. When I feel say Mama Wali, it is say he shoot them. If I find shoot them. Forgive money na say me then go na because one win Sako. You know if you go take how many master the way that give you fuck am. If you want buy find correct master them. Even other master for Brazil. Money that get if you bring master for Brazil, me can fuck if they even need na fuck. If you bring Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, any two you want over the ground. When I feel say Bella Franklin, it is supported now because of waiting one money. When I feel say me Capo Daniel, I can't be in a one position. When I feel say I can't be in a one position, I no position where they did now so. So man go they can show now. I can buy my suit for $500 for use that one for attack una. If una dey for that level where person una be attracted because of man dress well, una be attracted because of man it can't stand get popularity. If una be motivated because of man they dress like poor beer, they act like poor beer, they speak very well, come out with good flyers and everything perfect. If na the thing in that way, una dey be pull towards una, then the future is bad. But if una be wise for overcome all these hurdles, these things that are cultural barriers, that propensity for follow corrupt individuals, for listen for sound judgment, for do the right thing, General Iwa for CD today. Make una not left that way me go for General Efang. As una see, una train, Ambazuna for Broadway, una good military for the Rango down, the Rango train the stabilization force, when una money, una rangia for the Benedict Kwa, for SD Ayamba. Now una money that una rangia for TTOF. The Ramba weapon and the Rango train the boy and fine. The Rango action, when I see action, they don't take up. They don't be ready enough to be deployed. They will commission them, they will send them. How that boy they go win, how they go succeed, it be dependent largely on how collectively we approach them. If we entertain things the way we demoralize them, if we entertain things the way it will turn our population against them, then those boys them they will be wasted. No matter how we arm them, no matter what training we then get them. When I don't see how they ran cripple our operation for Bamenda before. We ran fight for Bamenda Sute La Republic declare state of emergency. When I go allow these impostors them, this non-entity them, they can install lockdown. It cripple them till today. We don't even know what happened. They can't replicate the same thing again now. We don't take back that level for Bamenda. Today when I go that side for Mulang, they don't begin take position of a sniper though we don't move the knee. Where? Today, na lamentation. I don't lament as an activist. So me no ADF person no coming for back say Capo Daniel you be supposed to talk A, you know we supposed to talk B. No advice. I mean no man no call me No man no call me I beg. Me man no try my half far. When I don't let me so, I don't talk with I don't talk I don't talk like an ADF official. I talk like an activist. Now my right to be an activist. And this is just the truth. Where one can get heart to heart with our people. I don't talk on my platform. Any man where you talk rubbish, you can't talk county by county, I delete you, I block you, I don't want you. I better get my platform where I express myself, and few people the way they be rational enough where they fit debate or they fit talk properly. I don't need crowd. I don't need 1,000 followers. I don't need them. I don't need it. It will not add me one thing for my life. It will not add me one thing in my life. I don't say people that they can't, so they can't observe my platform, go back. Me, do any so. If una be so zanzam and so stupid, me una not even comment. I don't want to get plenty comment. I don't even want plenty like or plenty view. I prefer me 10 Patreon them listen for me, where they will do the right thing. They'll get the right motivation. After all we go die eventually. Good or no good, all we go die. But I won't go for my grave where I be right with my maker. Where Adonai, he will receive me. Where Elohim, he will receive me. Back with the air where he breathe them out, where he create me. He will receive them back. He no go spit them out. Because I don't do right with my living, with men, in my private life, as a father, as a failed husband trying to start a new marriage and make sure that I get it right. As somebody who abandons university from year 2 from Chang because the system was not working for me, it was useless. I did not see why I was going to school studying law and political science. It didn't help me anyway for the war revolution, but it did not make sense for me that I was studying law and political science when I had good opportunity in America and in France to make good money as a youth. And I did make good money. I did succeed. It did not make sense for me. I'm a very practical person. It did not make sense for me to even learn English. Some people will say a joke. It did not make sense for me to learn English when I was growing up. In our house, my papa they talk English sometimes. They don't even want to learn country talk to our house. But it don't make sense for me say, we go outside for quarter, we play, we talk in a pidgin. We go for market, they talk in a pidgin. My neighbor they talk pidgin for me. But we go for school, they teach me 1 + 1 in English. Really, eh? Maybe some person will feel a bit strange, but for me, it did not make sense for me. At that age, I was asking my father, but why did they teach me for pidgin? Why my papa did talk pidgin for me? My papa be vexed to say why? Why they don't talk? Why they don't talk language? All man they talk and all man they understand them. I will learn better, and it always makes sense. To common sense is not common, but it works. Trust me. If we teach science and technology in pidgin, we will have the best roads in Ambazonia. We will have the best food. What really matters will be better. All those superficial things, dressing with those coat and ties that have no brain, is not saving us anything. General Ivo, who did not go to military school, is far more better than John Igewan, who was a military man. The military guys who are helping us today in Ground Zero to train our boys to fight La Republic, those are people who are not even talking, who don't even want to, who listen to advice to some of us. Who listen to advice to some of us. You imagine when I talk to Big Number, he's my elder brother. He pays attention to me. When I talk to Ayabacho, who is my leader, is somebody I respect. He's very, very one of the most smartest people I've ever seen. His managerial skills are above what you see in Hong Kong here. But he listens to me. Benedictwa, they listen to people. And they respond appropriately. They look for knowledge. It's not that they are stupid. But when you talk about Abobala, I remember I argue with Abobala sometimes. He said, hey, do you know my level? You know Abobala? Do you know where we know place of his stand? So you can see some level of arrogance, bigmanism, Ambazonian elitism that keeps our people down. The attraction of worldly things without any worth. The lackness of class. The lack of real dignities that come from hard work. That have turned the people that look at people who do hard work as people who are suffering. When I go work sometimes, people they call me, beg me money for Ground Zero. They call me while they work. And they tell they say, oh boy, I they work. They say, Ashia. It convey their spirit because they feel so where you work and suffer. Well, you know what? They don't change people their mind upside down. They feel so where you go work and suffer. You say they work, they say Ashia. Then the next day the man goes to Master Beg. 5 minutes, even a Senkang, even a Bensemi Kapo, then help me. Is there more dignity in begging or than even walking? You know? So my own country people, them, that was my lamentation. We shall win. We are winning. The diplomacy is coming together, everything is coming together. When I see the Pope, they run around. No, because it's in a fine for La Republique. Eh? No, it's in a fine for La Republique. When I see Pobia, he don't come out, he would crobo head. For cash on for outside. No, it's sitting in fine, eh? It's no fine for them. It's no fine for them. When I see the pie, don't finally count the head. No, be sitting in better. It's no better. It's no work fine at all. So God bless you now. Now get a good day. Una continue to call back home. Like how this struggle be just start. Una call back home, encourage una people them, una get contact, una encourage them, talk to them, advise them, because God that move una for out of Amazonia. Just like how God be move the Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, carry them go put them for inside Babylon, and they be there for they be get access to diplomatic level where be help them for touch the heart of King Nebuchadnezzar. Me left Nehemiah, me go back go build the wall of Jerusalem. Better when Nehemiah be go for go build the wall of Jerusalem. It be the fight the Arabs with one hand, the build with one hand. Now so we go the fight, because we are like the chosen people of Israel who would be called to rebuild the wall of Amazonia, the first democratic country in Africa, so that our people can come out of darkness. I was an evangelist, working hard, going around preaching from door to door, from Cow Street, Ghana Street. I will go around preach with the Bible, the 4, now 5 or 7 spiritual law, how did they call them? Preaching the gospel. I know the street of Amazonia. I know your suffering. We will work and show the video of Jesus Christ in Bambui, Batibo, in villages. Preach with Billy Graham. They be the make altar corner. We be the offer Jesus Christ to people. People that don't suffer. They don't send picking up school. They don't get work. They don't go all through all kind pains. They don't go through all kind pains. We know they them. No matter how they zikal and grumbi. We know their future, no they. Unless your parent go join that occultism for CPDM. Or their brother for SDF. You know if you see light. Amazonia rising. Now answer prayer to all the prayers we don't pray. Where they be call Reham Bonken, they can make crusade. Now the answer prayer than this. Africa can be in bondage. Amazonia revolution are the first one where it be sponsored by the people for the people. If we succeed to break these chains of new colonialism, to break the shackles of fear of the terrorism, the wicked black man, Mr. Paul Biya Vondo, then this will be indeed the time of Africa. Because from Amazonia, the entire Africa will have a partner to speak for them and back for them. And we must choose the right way. We must choose the right way. The stakes are high. May our revolution be short. May our independence and freedom and democracy be forevermore. I think our technical department should cut the video live. I think it was broadcast online in the ACN. They should cut it live. I'll give them 5 minutes to do that. For the meantime, while they do my phone line will be open, and my number that any man we call, I will wait signal but show say they don't cut, they don't stop them. Then we'll go on. I'll close the show. So my phone line will be open. Any man if you call, if you get something for talk, you talk, we go here. For people they don't suffer. They don't suffer. Bamenda. So we call on all our people, they meet and go to that Catholic church, they go meet that envoy, they explain for them. Say, oh, did they suffer, now this thing, did they suffer? Then one of this solution. Without that courage, when I remember, mommy, objection. Objection! When I go do objection for day,
If all una fear, una continue for fear, we will continue begin to go round and round. Round and round, like we dance na bottle dance. We must be bold. We must talk which way the worry we. We must talk which way we want them. There is no choice. There is no shortcut. There is no choice. There is no shortcut. I wish I for fit do am for una for ground zero. I have a choice to go to do am for diplomacy, but the diplomatic people that go to come to for can see for ground zero. One or two way they talk am, it correspond with way una they talk for abroad. Now either way they can contact some general and direct. Instead for una contact the leadership to inform them, una they take us una range na una connection. I remember when the one day they don't go, man, no even go take the one go talk about RK case. When they don't go carry RK case, they be coming to talk say America embassy they talk with them, the one they talk with them, then they be happy. We know the fight and say me some man go they talk with some man. If I show a video them for conference the way we don't get our UN, the kind high level people do not meet up. The head of state the way they don't meet up I have a show. The dignity the way they don't meet up. If we will do propaganda let's sako. If we shocktalize some of una, but we will fight now for free our country, and that is what matters. God bless you all.